beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be decorating our porch for the Christmas. So before I start decorating, I'll first of all clean up the front. It's been long I have not done that, so once I'm done cleaning, I'll start putting on my decoration. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people have already started decorating for the Christmas. So this is the first time I'm decorating for the Christmas so early. I'm so excited to do that. First thing I'll be installing is the DIY roof I made.
All together, learning about a history. Loving.
Bought this little Christmas tree from Walmart, so I didn't like the downside of it, so I decided to do some DIY to make it look more real. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, I want to say thank you for checking on me. My name is Jennifer. I'm a wife, a mother of two. I love to clean, so I do cleaning videos, organizing, natural hair and mom lifestyle. Please, if you like content like mine, I would like you to stick around and become part of my YouTube family. And for all my subscribers, thank you all for always checking on me. God bless you all.
Christmas time on its way again. All the lovers, they may come and go. Let me tell you, this is one thing I know. There will never be another one. Me and you in the midnight sun. It's funny now, I see it crystal clear. I'm sure that it must be this time of the year.
I'll first of all install this old garland I have. I used it last year in my decor, so once I'm done, I'll put my second garland I bought from Hobby Lobby.
I did my best and knew just how to play my part. Together in my favorite season, let's do it for the right.
So I needed to put 3 bows of this on the rear, but when I went back to the store, I couldn't get the exact color. I have to buy another color, so I end up changing it. I'm so happy that the year is coming to an end. God see us through all through this while during all this pandemic, everything with the chaos happening, God saw us through. And I just want to thank God because He has been so faithful. Without Him, I don't know where I've been today. I just want to give Him the glory. I don't know for you guys. I hope you guys are happy because I'm so excited about this year coming to an end. While trying to fix this unicorn light, it took me roughly 10 to 15 minutes to figure it out.
There will never be another one. Me and you in the midnight sun.
So most of the things I use are the DIY I made on my own. So this garland I did it too.
December again, I can't believe it. Whatever
so lovely.
I've been listening to the sound from some street crier caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again.
The throw blankets and pillows, I got them from Walmart. Please kindly check order of my previous video where I did a pantry organization and decoration of our dining. Okay, my beautiful friends, that will be all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you all in my next video. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.